Coffee break. So, back on with the cooking. Here we go. Italian coffee pot.
That's it.
Making noise.
What do they call these?
Coffee pot.
That's the name, isn't it?
Percolator, stovetop percolator.
Mocha?
Here we go. Mocha.
What are we doing now?
We're gonna put some water in there, mate.
What's the water do?
That's how we're gonna sting that through the coffee. And this is gonna be a Hearns Hobbies first, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have you ever done cooking on this show before?
No, never.
That's
Never.
right. Fill it up to the blow off valve.
Oh, you're really strict, eh? You want it
There
up
you go.
You want up to the blow off valve.
Up to the blow off valve.
All right.
Then we'll put our.
Let me just. I've got to grind up some
What
stuff here.
Are you gonna grind coffee on the show?
You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it properly, right?
Yeah. What blend are we having today, BJ?
Oh,
What have you got there?
It's a blend that I made myself.
Is
There's
it?
a couple of different beans, which I just.
I love a good coffee bean. What have you got?
Well, I can't remember.
You can't remember. That's all right. Let's stick it in, mate. Let's get it done.
There you go.
What have we got? Panama Rainforest Alliance blend.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to tasting
Yeah,
that.
it's a good blend.
Oh, cocoa, plum, and syrupy. Rich roots of cocoa and plum. Coffee break.
That's right.
We're not
Priority.
talking anymore till I get some coffee. It's been a long day. 100th
Comments here.
episode coffee. Who would have ever thought?
Cheers for 100 shows, mate.
Cheers for 100 shows.
Cheers.